most people are so quick to think of ourselves, as smart. We think of ourselves as being smarter than other people. I'm not saying everyone does that. It's just, it's kind of a natural human thing is to consider ourselves, as understanding the world better than other people. We think that other people, kind of implicitly, we think that they don't they don't fully grasp reality as completely as we do. And sometimes that's true. Like obviously sometimes in life, people do understand things better than other people, but I think that we as individuals are often a poor judge of the extent to which that's true, in our own case and in other people's cases too. We we see other people, right? We see groups of other people who, or individuals, we see groups of other people we disagree with and we think they're fools. We think they just don't understand the situation as well as we do. And so we put ourselves above them. And we think, oh, these people are just like a lower order of human being than we are, because we assume that we know what's going on better than they do. But I'm not saying because obviously to an extent we have to, just to function, we have to think that we have to have confidence in our own estimation of the universe, and we have to have a degree of confidence in how we perceive things, and in our own beliefs and in our own understanding of life. That's, obviously if we didn't have that, then we'd probably just end up getting allured into a cult or something, because we would have no confidence in our own estimation of things, and so we just get exploited really fast. So I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that in and of itself, or that there's a better alternative or anything. I think the key thing though is to keep in mind that life is such a complex, multifaceted thing. And, we have billions of people looking at it from different angles. And it's like this really complicated, convoluted, theoretical, mathematical object or something that, kind of almost defies the laws of conventional physics, couldn't exist in the real world kind of a thing. And so then you have billions of people looking at it from billions of different angles, and they're seeing different things. And it doesn't necessarily mean that one perception is wrong or right. We're looking at different things. The key thing, I think, is to try to integrate those different perceptions and understandings into a more cohesive and full whole.